See, there's a heap of oil sitting down in the lower corner of piston 2. So let's take it out. Let's put it down. Piston 1, which as you can see looks perfect. Piston 3. Look, this isn't the easiest trying to do this. My phone and holding this. But anyway, we will try it. There we go. There we go, it's a better picture. So we have no hole in piston 3. Now on to piston 4. Let's have a look, see what we've got here. Fucking camera's gone the wrong way again. Piston 4 looks quite gungy. It's not the cleanest. So let's see if we can turn it. And that's it. Yeah, there's no hole in it. Right, here's these plugs. So this is number 1. Which the gap on it looks quite big, but it's not really focusing. But to be honest, they don't actually look that bad. Here's the plug out of piston 2, the one that's got a hole in it. It's full of fucking grit and gunge, which I could guess could be bits of metal off the piston. Right. So I mean, there's no chance of that would be firing. This is the third one. Try and get some focus. Them plugs don't look that bad. The gaps are a bit big because it's meant to be 0.9 to 1.1 millimeters, but that's the least of the worries. And here's piston 4. It's the last one I borescoped. It looked a bit sludgy, and as you can see, the spark plugs a bit gungy and gritty looking, and it looks like it's mushroomed over in the tip where the spark electrode is. So, but yeah, there you go.